My experience in the SPU Mentor program was probably the first time I met with someone that I felt, wow, this is what I want to be like when I grow up. That was a really, really exciting experience to connect with someone who I felt saw eye to eye with me, and who could kind of paint a picture for how I wanted to connect the dots with all my passions. I had thought of 3 main goals of what I wanted to get out of the mentor experience, and then I broke that down into kind of a schedule. The first part of it, I left time for us to really get to know each other, so I basically said hey, for 30 minutes I would like to give backgrounds of how we got to where we are. And that was, I think, a key component for her to be able to tell me why she went into her field, and then for me to say why I was interested in it. We could see a lot of connections in our story, and then from there I could say, okay, this is what I really need. And she was really receptive to that. I think she knew right off the bat what her role as a mentor was supposed to be. At the end of my senior year, I remember going to a meeting with her and saying, I don't know if I want to be a doctor, and thinking that she was going to say, oh, well, I guess our relationship is over, I don't have anything to help you with. And she really surprised me by saying, that's what this is about, this relationship is to be with you in those doubts, and it's okay if you're not sure, but I'm still here for you even if you don't want to be a doctor. So that was really valuable for me. I think the most unique thing about the SPU Mentor program is how strategic they are in matching you. The whole interview process, where they ask you questions about what your needs are and why you're seeking the mentor program, at least for me, was invaluable. When I first met with my mentor, it was like a match made in heaven, and I know that's maybe not the same for everyone, but I do feel because I was so specific in what I needed, they were able to in turn find a really great fit for me, and that connection and dynamic has continued for over a year now, so it's been really special. So for any student that thinks they might not have time for mentorship, I've realized that what has made mine so beneficial is that we limit the time. It doesn't have to be a once a month thing. You don't need it to be every week. Your mentor is going to be busy. You're busy. I've kept it to I'll reach out and say, hey, just want to check in. This is what I'm up to. And then that might turn into a meeting. That might just end up being an email, and then we might meet 6 months later. It's really up to you and your mentor how often you want to meet and what you need to kind of, you definitely want to keep, burning the fire and keep the coals and flames alive, but it doesn't have to be something where you're constantly meeting with them. And the meetings can be short. We're only an hour each every 3 months.